If Capcut is giving you a render error, don't worry. In this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step, so you can get your export working again. This is one of the most common issues Capcut users run into, especially when the app is struggling with graphic settings, cached files, or an export that's too heavy for your computer. So if your video keeps failing to render, or Capcut freezes right at the end, stay with me and follow these fixes in order. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. The first thing you want to do is disable hardware encoding. This is often the main reason Capcut throws a render error, especially if your graphics driver isn't fully compatible or if your system is having trouble processing the export. To do that, open Capcut and go to Settings, then click Performance. Inside the Performance settings, look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding. If that box is checked, uncheck it, then click Save to apply the change. After that, completely restart the Capcut app. Don't just minimize it, close it properly and reopen it so the new setting can take effect. Once it's back open, try rendering your project again and see if the problem is fixed. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is clear your cache. Over time, Capcut builds up temporary files that can become corrupted or overloaded, and that can interfere with exports. On desktop, go to the menu, then open Settings and find the cache section. From there, clear the cache files. This can free up space and remove broken temporary data that may be causing the render issue. After clearing the cache, restart Capcut again and test your export one more time. This step alone often solves a lot of random rendering problems. Now, if the project is still failing, the issue may simply be that your export settings are too demanding for your device. High-resolution edits, heavy filters, lots of effects, or very high frame rates can all put extra pressure on your hardware. So if you're trying to export in 4K or using a high bitrate, try lowering those settings first. A good test is to export at 1080p at 30 frames per second. You can also reduce the bitrate if the option is available. This makes the render much easier for your computer to handle and can help Capcut finish the export without crashing or throwing an error. If you're editing a large project with lots of layers, transitions or animations, it can also help to simplify the timeline a little before exporting. Remove any unnecessary effects, shorten heavy sections, or test export a smaller part of the project first. That can help you figure out whether the issue is coming from one specific clip or effect. In many cases, the render error isn't Capcut itself, it's the combination of settings and project complexity pushing your system too far. So to quickly recap, start by disabling hardware encoding in performance settings, then clear your cache and finally reduce your export settings if needed. These three fixes solve most Capcut render errors and can save you a lot of frustration. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next, because the problem may be a combination of settings rather than just one issue. I hope this helped you fix the Capcut render error and get back to editing without stress. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.